In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a project in KoboToolbox. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top left and click on the logo, which is going to take you to the main menu. Then you want to go here, top left, where you can see Project, and then you want to click on the New button in the top left, just next to that, okay? Now, when you do this, it's going to ask you what project you want to create. So you could build from scratch, you could use a template, you could upload an XLS form, or import via URL, okay? I'm just going to go from scratch because I'm assuming if you are looking up how to do this, you want to build from scratch. So I'll just click on this. Then you have to give it a name. I'm just going to name this one Tutorial YouTube. And then description is going to be the same for me. Oops, I clicked out by mistake. So Tutorial YouTube. There we go, if I can spell it, okay? And then, of course, description, you can, of course, type whatever you want here. I'm just going to do the same thing. And then you have to put in the sector. So just select your sector. I'm going to do, let's just do something random over here. I'm going to do other. And, of course, you can even go ahead and basically select whatever here. And then you also need the country. So just put in your country you're, of course, based in. There we go. And I'm going to click on Create Project. And that way your project is going to be created. It's called Tutorial YouTube. I can just go out of here right now, and you'll be able to see under drafts, I have this, of course, project I just created down here at the bottom. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.